Hello, this is my latest tech toy, JBL Flip 5 portable speaker. Yes, I don't even have a sound system at home these days. It's listening through AirPods, earphones, but I thought let's get some portable speaker. Read about the Flip 5, seemed to be pretty good and a new product, so I decided to get it. Online shopping delivered right to my home during this circuit breaker period in Singapore. Yes, the box opens from below, so it comes out in this foam-like thing, which is JBL on top, I believe. Now let's see what we get inside. Open up, please. Open up. Don't keep me waiting. Oh, what's this? Yeah, a little pocket of stuff as well. So yes, Flip 5. Yep. Open sesame. This is just a styrofoam thing to protect the Flip 5. Not very hardy, I think it'll spoil over time, but yeah, here it is. Ooh, nice, handy, feels a little bit heavy, maybe about half a kilogram, but supposed to be easy to use, waterproof too. You can bring it to the beach, the swimming pool, bathroom. It's really awesome. And now let's check out what's inside the Flip cover. Some promotional materials. Oh yes, the all important charging cable, which is standard USB charging cable, I think. Okay, all these stuff, I'll go through them later on, but I really want to start to try to use the Flip 5, the power button over there, the sound button. Yes, now turn it on and trying to connect it, and I will connect it to my iPhone and iPad and play some songs from it so you can hear the power of the Flip 5. Follow me!